Xin chào. Hi Anna, say hello. Hello. Oh, she looks so angry. We are in the car again. Kumusta mo? Kumusta? This is our first vlog since we got back from the holiday. Officially, we are still on vacation.
Yeah, it's weekend now almost for me normal.
Yeah, it's Friday. It is Friday. Weather's nice. It's kind of a little bit busy on the road because it's Friday. We are on our way to, I don't know, Den Bosch?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're on our way to Den Bosch. Mag-picnic me. Because last time it was unplanned when we went there but I didn't vlog. So karon ingon ko mag-vlog ko kay sayang para naputay ko naputay vlog. Balik na sa kuog Bisaya na sa to ay pwede Tagalog man ay. Bisaya sa taron. Bisaya muna tayo. How was your vacancy, Papa? How was your vacancy? Food?
It's really good, yeah. I really needed it. But it was really nice.
Because the last vacation we had was last year.
Yeah, and
it was cut short.
Yeah.
It was supposed to be 6 weeks, but then because Anna got sick, so it was cut short to 2 weeks. So we came
not
back.
6 weeks.
6 weeks supposedly.
Yeah, not to go away. Yeah,
not to go away, but the vacancy. So
yeah.
Then only 2 weeks we were away. We went we went camping, and then we went to Germany. And
next year we plan to
Belgium.
go to the other end of the world.
Next year, we'll see how it goes. You never know. Pero so far, mayo among bakasyon, nalingaw rami. Prague, Krakow, and Wrocław. But for me, Prague was the most beautiful. And I liked the buildings more, the ambience more. And probably because it was the first place we went to.
Also, that's true. But I think Prague was still, even it was first place. The other places were nice too, but Prague still.
Krakow and Wrocław were really nice and a lot cheaper. But it's a lot cheaper there.
Prague is like a must visit.
I think if you have a chance to visit Europe, include Prague in the cities that you would visit. It's really a must visit. Pictures don't do justice. The videos as well don't do justice. The place is really nice. Compared to Netherlands, I mean, it's still a little bit cheap. Not exactly cheap there, but compared to the prices in the Netherlands, then it's a bit cheaper. It's really expensive here in the Netherlands, guys. Especially eating out. Good luck.
That's true.
I think if you go to Paris and you go out, maybe it's about the same.
Paris is more expensive.
Yeah.
Paris is one of the most.
Like Amsterdam.
More
expensive than.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Paris depends on where in Paris because it's compared to really big, but I heard that it's like one of the more expensive cities.
Okay. Yeah. So I didn't mention. I've mentioned before that I have we have a guest coming. Like somebody's coming to visit us.
You already said which guest? Oh, that's a surprise.
Yeah, surprise. Char. Surprise pa ko, no? Mag-picnic sa amin, no? Anna is a little bit quiet.
Yeah.
She just woke up.
Yeah, she's still.
She's still yawning. By the way po, si Anna, medyo mas na siya, medyo nagsasalita na siya. She's more chatty now. She has more words. Diba, Anna? Pero mainly she speaks Dutch. Dutch po siya kasi we speak English at home. She picks up, she understands. But so far, most of her words are Dutch. So yes. By the way, si Anna kanina, first day niya balik sa kanyang daycare. So kita-kita na lang tayo sa sa picnic kasi mga 10 minutes pa siguro at dadating na kami doon. Anna, you don't wanna say hi to them? What? Siya's mood. She's not in the mood. Oh. She has her baby with her. Show them your baby lang.
Baby.
Yeah, baby. Is baby's aan het slapen?
got a baby.
Yeah, the baby is moo? Oh. Baby gonna moo. The baby is tired.
Hè? Morgen. Anna ook?
Ano kasi?
Yeah. Ana ook zwemmen.
Yeah. Mama ook kasi.
Ja, mama ook.
Ja.
Mama ook.
Mama ook kasi.
Ja, mama ook zwemmen. Met mama en
Papa
Anna.
kasi.
Papa ook zwemmen. Ja, dat is goed.
There's more space.
Yeah, but I want to sit, Bo.
Ja,
Like,
sit.
with a blanket.
Ja, on the ground.
Yeah.
Ja, that's better there.
Duha eh. So, I told Ruth na dalhin namin yung stroller. Alam ko kasi pag ganito mga lugar, Anna just wants to walk around or run around. So, pinadala ko yung stroller kasi para may malagyan kami ba sa mga gamit namin. Kasi medyo...
1, 2, 3 naar beneden, Anna.
Yeah.
Mama ook. The last time we came here, Anna was still a baby. Baby na baby pa talaga siya. And may vlog din ako noon dati. Let's see. We also brought, pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. We also brought old bread to feed the ducks. So, I think this is gonna be the last thing we're gonna do. The last thing we're doing for our vacation. Tomorrow, Saturday, also may weekend pa naman, pero may naka-schedule na kaming gagawin. Tomorrow, we're visiting Ruth's Opa. I-visit namin si Opa. Yung lolo ni Ruth, yung nami-mention ko dati na binibigyan ako ng bulaklak, ganyan ba? Doon na si Ruth tsaka si Ana. Maganda po ito. Malaki po ito na area na to, pero I think hindi namin nilibutin lahat. Are we gonna sit here?
Ja,
You want here? Okay. And nice din kasi malapit sa sa basurahan.
You want to feed the ducks.
Yeah?
I bet.
You wanna feed the ducks? Yeah?
Well,
Eten geven?
yeah.
Yeah. Wil je daar doen of hier?
Just what you want. For me, it's always good.
Rice po ito. Tsaka yan, fried rice. May mga snacks kami dito. Ito, chocolate. Candy ni Ana. Hugaw man din iyang baso. Oh my God. Oh, may dala din ako ng plato. Papa, Eta! Eta, Ana! Eta! Oh, ang aming pagkain. Nagluto ako ng adobo kanina. And rice. We also have fried rice if Anna likes this. I have chicharon.
Mama, give.
Mama, please. Okay, thank you. Fried rice and egg if Anna
Papa,
likes it.
give.
So, kain na muna kami.
Mama.
Thank you. Now, ang kutsara na mo ipapani mo, dili na pareha. Here, Dudong.
Dankjewel.
Papak, aning bata ah.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
Here, sit here. Next mama. Next to mama. Here, come. Dali. So. What with Anna? Oh, water drinker, Anna. Oh. Oh, water drinker. Nus. Nus. Sinasabi ni Anna means Snoop. Hindi kasi niya mabigkas ng ayos. Snoop! Anna, Snoop!
Vespa.
Nus.
Oh, nee. Vespa. Snoep.
Snoop!
Look at boat.
Where's the boat? Oh, daar. Yeah, daar. Hinahanap niya yung boat. Yan. Nus.
Papa.
Oh,
Chip.
chips. Chips lang, chips. Papa, daar.
Chips voor papa?
Nee.
Nee, geen chips?
Voor
Oké.
Anne.
Papa opeten?
Papa, open
Oké,
please.
papa opeten, hè?
Papa, opeten? Oh, nee. Oh, nee.
Lekker, papa opeten.
Anna, kijk. Anna. Chips.
Papa opeten? Anna ook? Anna ook?
Nee. Anna, chips. Lagway, oh.
Papa eten?
Give Papa a bit.
Dankjewel.
Mama ook? Ik ook.
Mama ook. Mama ook.
Anna. Mama. Dankjewel. Anna ook. Zegt Anna ook. Give Papa.
Anna eten? Ja, lekker.
That's good. So, yun na. Anna, need to, not too far lang. Gusto ko talaga, matagal na ko nang gustong gawin to na mag-picnic kami somewhere. We've tried it already, but yung spontaneous lang. But ngayon, pinanurtag ko talaga ba. Sinabi ko sa kanya na gusto kong mag-picnic kami somewhere. So, perfect na perfect ngayon, na bakasyon pa kami. So, magandang timing. So, after nito, puntahan namin yung aking Thai friend si Apple. Drop by kami doon. Tawagan ko muna siya kung may ginagawa siya. Sulu wakan, Ana? Bakan? Bakan na Tante Apple?
Tanat.
Tante Apple?
Sip may sip.
Sap. Chef may chef.
Chip mee?
Chef may chef. Sabi niya, dadalhin daw niya yung chips. Chef may chef? Yeah, wakan?
Huh?
Let's go to Tante Apple. Mama ook? Give Mama please. Mama and beetje. Mama ook een beetje. Dankjewel.
Mama.
Ja.
Mama.
Mama ook.
Mama.
Gusto niya umalis ako dito. Okay. Siya pa may. Let's go home. Ayos na kami. Naligpit na si Ruth. Nice flowers, Apple. Down here.
I buy this small. I don't think it's bigger.
Mooi. And these ones look like
Snow.
like with snow.
Ano niya?
Nice ng garden ni Apple ito. Yung tubig doon. So, nandito na naman kami sa sasakyan. Si pauwi na kami. Si Ruth bumili lang ng ice cream. Okay, sana. Ito, paborito namin. Snickers ice cream. Ayan.
Somebody, not only you, the one that's excited.
Yeah.
I bought two that promo, so. Papa ijsko eten? Nee. Nee?
Waarom?
Mag Anna ijsko?
Mama ook.
Lekker.
Mama ook.
Mama ook.
Without the plastic, you know. Oh, she's sleeping. She's pretending to sleep.
Mama ijsko?
Oh no? So, alis na kami.
Yeah.
Uwi na kami. Ito yung church sa amin na ginawang apartment. Sayang. Magtindi ako ng scented candle because nangangamoy ng adobo yung bahay namin. Nasa bahay na kami. Parang mga 1 oras lang yata kami doon. Or umabot pa kami ng 1 oras doon sa picnic sa city. Sa Den Bosch. Madali lang din kami sa sa bahay ni Apple. Dumating din yung yung asawa niya. Friend ni Ruth. Alis si Ruth mamaya. Babalik doon. Ay, punta sila sa kaibigan niya. Nasaan na dyan? Nag-chill. Kumakain ng ice cream. Grabe tong batang to. Nag-chips pa. Nag-ice cream pa. Ngayon lang naman. Yeah. So, yun na yung aming ganap for today. Papatulugin na namin si Ana after a bit. Mag-spend time muna kami. And then after that, mag-toothbrush na si Ana. Linisan ko na siya. Sabi ni Ruth, what?
Two amigos.
Two amigos. And then adto na daw siya sa punta na daw siya sa mga amigos niya, sa mga friends niya. So, yun na guys. Nakabalik na kami finally sa aming medyo naman. Mag 1 week na kami nakabalik pero iba din. Excited din. Nasa bakasyon kami. Excited din akong umuwi. So, yes. Nag-chill muna kami. Yun lang ating video for today. Maraming salamat sa panonood and kita-kita na naman tayo sa susunod naming video. Please don't forget to like pa rin and also subscribe sa aming channel, Pinoydutch Family Vlogs. So, yun na po. Maraming salamat. Mush mush babush. Duy duy. Ana, say duy duy.
Doei doei, Anna.
Duy duy. Sama duy duy.
She's too busy with her ice cream.
Yeah, babush.
Houdoe.
Houdoe dong.
Houdoe.